and I'm going for a very famous pastry called a Pasta De Nata, made at a place right there, Santa Nata.
Does it have nata before?
So I'm gonna see what these things are like. They're supposed to be quite famous, made in the 1800s by monks in Portugal. Now what they used to do was they used to take the egg whites and starch the clothes with egg whites, and with the egg yolks they didn't know what to do, so they made pastries from them. And these are the historic pastries made back in the 1800s by Portuguese monks. Taste like. They look pretty good, and I think they're sweet. They look really nice. Wow, they're as sweet as they look, but they're really, really good. Really nice, actually. Creamy. Pasta De Nata.